Hey art fans, welcome back to another awesome video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a permit. Things you need for this video is going to be your paper, your pencil, and your markers. Now with all that settled, let's get right and do this video. Alright, first thing we're going to start for our permit is going to be the eye. So we're going to draw a circle about here. And inside that circle, we're gonna make a circle. And inside that circle, inside that circle, we're gonna make another circle. Then we're gonna color around that mini circle, mini circle. So many circles. Then we're gonna draw a line under the main circle for the eye. And we're gonna draw two little tiny ovals. Then we're gonna draw like a curved line that goes all the way to here. A little kind of like spike. And it's gonna go down. Then we're gonna draw, the extra line, well not the extra line, the line that made that the forehead and kind of the rest of the body, or the top part. We're gonna extend it, go down here, take a curve, go up, and go back here. I'm gonna draw like a little tiny oval shape. And this line is just gonna go all the way to here. Then we're gonna make like a curved line. It takes a curve all the way up to here. Then like, kind of like if you look about it, it looks like a screaming, smiley face. Cause he's like screaming and angry. So he's screaming. That's what I'd say it. I sacrificed my drawing for that. Okay. And then we're gonna make like a spiked line that goes to here, a line right here, and a line right here, and a curved bump. Well, not a curved bump, because bumps are curved. My God. Speaking no sense today. Sorry. And we're gonna make a line that goes to here. We're gonna make a spiked bump. Then it's gonna look like it's about to connect. And then it's gonna have no tail. No, it's gonna go out. Then it's gonna connect. I'm gonna make a line that extends all the way out. Then it gets flat. Then it's gonna go in. And same thing right here. It's gonna go flat. And then it's gonna go in. Then you can add the lines where you have to. I'm gonna make little spikes and they get bigger and bigger. And I'm gonna make a big spike that goes all the way to here, but it's kind of in. And it's gonna take up. It's gonna be like, I'm gonna go down. Oh, psych. I'm gonna go all the way to here, and then it's gonna go in, and then it's gonna end. Then we're gonna draw the lines in there. So it looks like this. Then we're just gonna draw two spikes right here. Then it's gonna do that thing again. It's about to become into one big spike, but then it's gonna go psych. And then it's gonna go down and then draw your lines. And you're gonna draw like, kind of like a V shape. So two lines right here, then they just connect with a V and draw lines in there. Then we're gonna draw a backward C right here. Then this is gonna go, and two lines are gonna extend in there, and it's gonna connect with more lines in it. Then you're gonna draw one big line right here, two spikes at the end, and you're gonna draw like some little spikes. Then right here, you're gonna draw a line, and then right here, there's just gonna be spikes, a line that goes to here, and a little one that extends from it. Then you're gonna draw some ovals, about 4 of them. Then a big line, then a big, my God, then a big oval. I couldn't find that word. Then I'm gonna make like a little like splatter. Well, like this pencil jumped into the water when I'm pencil marker. It makes like a splash we're gonna make like a little tiny splash right there. You can zoom in if you have to, but yeah. This is what your sketch for your permanent, yeah, actually sits right forwards. Your permanent should look like. Now I'm gonna outline the entire thing and fast forward through it. So now, wait, no, I'm not gonna. I'll show you what colors you're gonna need, and I'm gonna just outline and then color. So I'll show you what colors you need. So you need your outlining marker. Then you'll need a yellow and another yellow. These are for the same spot, which is gonna be the splatter, or I'm gonna call it a paint splatter. That, or you could just have one. I'm gonna use two for shading purposes. Then you're gonna have like a little kind of lightish blue. Then you're gonna have a tealish kind of blue. Then you're just gonna have just like a grayish white kind of. You'll need like kind of like this type of green. You're probably wondering, why, Trent? Why do you need that type of green? Right there, it's a little green with a little blue. You'll see. Then you could have, well, you do need a gray and a brown. So these should be all your colors. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial so far. And I'll see you guys when I'm done coloring it out. Guys, this is what your permit should look like when you have finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in